Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever been finding it difficult for you to export high quality photos from your Photoshop down to your PC? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you exactly that on today's tutorial. And before I begin, please, for those who are watching my videos on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. They give me motivation. My speak preaching. Give me motivation, I beg. Then also share the videos to others so that people can see this content and watch it and also gain from it as you are gaining from this video. And now let's get to the video. So now all you're gonna do is go to your files over here. You go down, search for exports. You see this exports button here, search for it. Then you see this save for web, you're gonna click on it. The shortcut is Alt Shift Ctrl S. Then okay, once it is loaded, you zoom. Let us see the image. You can see all the details and textures, the way you edited it in your Photoshop. That's the same way you are exporting it out. So usually in default mode, if you haven't used this before, it's going to be on GIF. This GIF. So all you gotta do is to change the GIF to JPEG. Then that's all. Then all you gotta do is click on enter or save on your keyboard. Then you save it here. Okay, and that's how you export high quality photos for your web users. You can post this photo on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all other platforms you are needed. Other platforms this photos is needed. So now this is our exported image. You can see the textures all remain the same, the colors remain the same, textures remain the same, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share and click on the bell notification to get noted on when I post content like this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next in other videos.